Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those, you're trying to find the fuse for the rear window defrost. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, how to get to it, and why it's super important to test fuses. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. We have here a 2018 Dodge Challenger. It will work on V6, V8. Most people will naturally guys open the hood and get to the fuse box that's actually located right under the hood. This fuse box right here. You can see you have some fuses, but unfortunately that fuse box is only mostly for engine management. Where you need to go is the fuse box that's responsible for the body control. Car was in a little bit of an accident, but runs like a champ. We drove it recently and we'll be rebuilding it guys, so yeah, we'll be making quite a few videos. If you come right here to the trunk of that Dodge Challenger, you see here your window defrost is right here. These dark lines in the window, that's the one, it's the heater for your rear window. We're going to open the trunk. Okay, perfect, just like that. And when we come here, right under this cover is your spare tire, car battery, and right here we have the cover for the fuses guys. We just press here and we open it, okay, like that. Now, which fuse we need to check here for the rear window defrost? Before we do that, let me just tell you guys one thing. Super important to test fuses and relays. Now, fuses, sometimes you can tell that they're burned, but sometimes you may not be able to clearly see if it's burnt or not. You may think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you keep wasting time and money on parts and tools guys that you practically do not need. And I'll recommend to always test fuses, relays. We'll put a link to a special video in the description of the video below, how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, so please check it out. The fuse guys that we will need to check is known as fuse number 42, and it's that fuse right here. Those are special fuses, hard to find, but we get them at a place for at a really good price and quick shipping, so I'll share the link in the description of the video below. You just go ahead, grab it, okay, and you put it back in. Okay, get the new one, put it back in, and you're ready to go. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find this information. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.